How to make audio sound distant and muffled. Have the audio file in a timeline and press Shift 7 to open the effects panel. And in the effects panel, type in parametric and select parametric EQ and drag and drop the effect to the clip in the timeline. Then press Shift 5 to open the effect controls window and go to parametric equalizer, custom setup, and click on the edit button. The clip effects window will appear and go to presets and select generic low pass. Then go to frequency and type in 914 Hz. And for the gain, type in -32.8 decibels. This will give you a good starting point of making your audio sound distant and muffled, as every situation is different. You can play the clip in the timeline and adjust the settings at the same time. Just make sure you always keep the clip selected in the timeline. You can also get a before and after comparison by clicking on the bypass button next to preset. And this is how you make your audio sound distant and muffled in Premiere Pro. Like and subscribe for more Premiere Pro tutorials, and I'll see you on the next one.